Alright, we're going to return the shovel from dig the hole, same day. For y'all that haven't seen my backyard, well, y'all haven't seen it yet, but y'all gonna get a backyard tour and a house tour too. This is my backyard. These are my two sisters' bike, which the tires on them are very deflated. Here's my bike. Here's my cousin Kyle's bike. Here's this random thing I went scrapping and found on the side of the road. And here's my grandpa's working area. This is where my grandparents work at. This is a scaffold that is not built. This is a scaffold. This is a door. This is the working area. This is where I would go play, but I don't go play because he got snakes back here. We're going on to the back porch right now. This is the deck of the back porch. There's the back porch. Also known as the smokehouse. This is why it's called the smokehouse. This will all be mesh. Right now it's being the storage room. Here's the craft room / storage room. Grandma's in there. Don't want to put her on camera. She does not want to be on camera. But it's kind of my whole backyard. But right now, I'm done digging for today. And you just go work down there. Here's the bike I kind of ride, but it has a giant spider web. Here's the other thing I found when scrapping, and it's missing a whole tire thing. This is the tree that I climbed last time. You look in the shorts, this is the tree that I was climbing. This is the front porch. Don't ask why there's a water jug. We have a water thing, and that's a jug for it. There's thing to measure how much rain we get. Here we go. This is a trap I found when scrapping, and it's actually in perfect shape too. And this is obviously where dig the hole was. I had to fill the hole back in. So y'all want to go under the house, let me know. You can go under there anytime. Leave the answer in the comments below. Leave if you want to go under the house in the comment section below. Bye guys.